very slowly. Go very slowly. I'll take my phone out of the car. Okay. Wow. Stop, man. Stop.
Okay. Yo. What happened?
I'll park extreme right.
Holy. So how's the riding experience with Ford EcoSport?
You're asking me?
Yeah.
Yeah, but you are guiding and I'm riding. No? It's actually very, very good. Better than any of the car which I have drawn earlier. I recommend this to purchase. Paying me some fees. This recommendation fees and all will be there. No? I'm giving some. In speed breakers it will go slow and and in flat roads you can go fast. Yeah, better than any other car. No need to control. It has its memory.
Coconut tree. What you have seen? You have seen? No, in my home only there are 2 coconut trees.
Is it? Where?
Backside.
And put some nice resort, na. Make this place famous. And
Yeah,
then usually
if you can fund the money, then we can do that.
Second gear, soon.
இவங்க 2 பேரும் பண்றத பாருங்க மக்கள்.
you seeing somewhat water is there.
I told you, no water will be there. Why? There not been water.
It is important.
Very good. Beautiful temples.
Where?
Left.
No, there no left.
Arey left.
No left.
Left is there beside.
No left.
Kaveri river you have seen there. How can you go right?
Right now.
What is showing?
What it showing?
There.
Chunchi Falls is
Straight
Yakabo
only.
straight only, na?
No, that is saying Kanakpura. If you want, you can go right.
Oh,
Kanakpur, Ramnagar, right. We'll go that way only, but now we'll go straight.
Here will cargo.
Go.
go.
Cargo.
Cargo nahi, caro. Cargo.
That's my adventure, no?
Adventure. adventure want. Some Bengali people will come here. But what contribution you have? Simply come enjoy and you leave. Which Kannada people will come there? Very less. But too, if you force, I came once. Give some contribution here. Which way?
This way only.
Rajat? Yeah, nothing.
About that, this thing.
No, I got a little bit anxious.
She's taking some ice and then some chips to sell there.
See, the parking.
Where to park? Here only. The tree. TRE tree.
See something?
Huh? Yeah. Welcome to Chunchi Falls. In the excitement of seeing the falls, don't fall. So be careful and see the falls.
Hey, why am putting mask, man?
This is Anubhav. He came from almost Kolkata to
Be
see this.
careful.
To see Chunchi Falls.
To see Chunchi Falls.
All the way from Kolkata.
Continue.
Very dirty place.
Very dirty place in the what I can say, in the start, but it's a beautiful heaven inside because it's present in Karnataka.
Mm-hmm.
The Kaveri River only. See, if I take a picture from here, it looks like Amazon only. Look like Amazon.
Taking bath and swimming is strictly prohibited. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಈಜು ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ನಾನವನ್ನು ನಿಷೇಧಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. Before you fall. After falling, if you be careful, no use, okay? If you want to fall slowly. This is NH0. Big zero. Now we are reaching NS-1. NH-1.
So it took us about probably 4 hours to reach here, and there's nothing much except some dried out things, and we are ready to see the falls and hope we see some water there. And
Still searching for water. Something like Choco fills inside Dark Fantasy. We need to work hard.
so now we can hear some water.
Now we are hearing some sound of water in both the ears. Both the ears are working well after walking. Chunchi Falls. Okay, I just interacted with one of the visitors who doesn't have any taste. He just said that what's there here? Water is just falling due to gravity. Okay, there is a saying, you know, the person who don't know to enjoy drinking water cannot enjoy anything in life. So this is Chunchi Falls. Probably Chunchi may mean something in Kannada because rarely in Karnataka Kannada names are kept. Let's try and
Driving for last.
Do you feel it is worth coming here after 3 hours of drive from Bangalore?
The thing is that we didn't plan for this.
Okay.
Suddenly, since we got stuck in some what is the forest? Some Betta forest.
Basavana forest.
Basavana Betta forest. We got stuck and we suddenly searched in Google that what are the possible places nearby. Then we found that what is the name? Chunchi Falls, right?
Yeah, Chunchi Falls. Yeah.
This is nearby, around 20 kilometers from the Basavana forest. So we drove the car till here, and I think this is good. It's little hot, but the view is extraordinary,
Okay.
and I think we should have a closer view. Let's come.
Yeah, sure. I'm a bit scared, but anyways, I'll try.
called as Guptagamini. Guptagamini says that there are the sub rivers of the main river will flow underground. This is one such example. If you want to see a mini heaven, 1 BHK heaven, you please come to Chunchi Falls. If you dare to go downstairs, you can transfer to main heaven. Bye.
Yeah, hello. This is first time I am driving without my instructor. I'm yet to receive my DL, but since this is empty, so I am trying, and I hope I'll be able to drive safely. Yeah.
And
what else?
And he's doing an excellent job, and you can see that as well.
Yeah, and I'm going to send this to my father. He believes that I cannot drive, so that's why I took this challenge. Anyway, yeah. It's like Tista of West Bengal.
Rajat, any opinions?
This is exactly like Mekedatu of Karnataka.
Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe the channel. See you in the next vlog. Bye bye.